everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll show how I make chocolate cakes usually. And for making cakes, we need to prepare cake batter first. For that, you'll need to mix 1/3 cup of butter, 1/3 cup of curd, and half a cup of powdered sugar with a whisk. Once it's blended well, place a sieve on top and put a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. And now sieve it well. Then mix it using silicone spatula in cut and fold method. Once it's over, add a tablespoon of espresso and mix it. In addition to that, pour 1/3 cup of milk to it and make it to this consistency. Once the batter is ready, prepare the tin to bake it. For that, grease the pan with butter and dust it with all-purpose flour. Now pour the batter and tap it to release the bubbles. Finally, bake it in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make cream for the cake. For that, you'll need to whisk a cup of whipping powder with 1/3 cup of milk. You can also use whipping cream instead. Once you get somewhat stiff peaks like this, refrigerate it for an hour. Unmold the baked cake and let it cool completely. Until that, let's make some toppings. And for that, I've taken a bar of chocolate and gonna make 2 different toppings out of it. Number 1, using a grater. And number 2, slicing with knife. After being an hour in the fridge, the cream is ready with stiff peaks. And now it's time to decorate the cake. Firstly, to cut it in layers, you'll need to make a dividing line in the side. Place a thread in that line, hold it in cross like this, and gently apply first to make layers. And now, patiently pull the thread out. Keep the top layer safe for later use. Apply cream on the bottom layer and level it. Now, place the top layer and apply cream all over it. Refrigerate it for some time and again start to decorate it. And here, to add wordings to the cake, I use chocolate syrup. Now take grated toppings and use it to decorate here. I'm garnishing it around the wording and in the side. Wipe the excess cream and topping to make it look good. Add small cubes of chocolates to this piece. And finally, I ended by dripping chocolate syrup in the side. It's ready! Wonderful, it's appetizing, right? And here's a lucky one to cut this cake. We have that moment here. Actually, I was eagerly waiting for the bite like a kid. And now it's time for tasting. Yummy! To describe short in a nutshell, it's heaven in a bite. And guys, hope you would like this video, so kindly like, share, comment about this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for getting instant notification. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.